Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful bridal makeup on the stunning Era who has deep skin tone. As usual, I start with a good prep and prime of the skin and the products are listed in the description box. Next step, I'm going to start with the eyebrows as always. Guys, remember, eyebrows are very important. The better you make those brows, the more your eye makeup is going to stand out. I'm starting with the Master Brow Kit in shade 2. I'm also going to use Aqua Brow from Makeup Forever in shade 30 to give those eyebrows the most perfect definition that it needs. I then do the eyebrows using the P. Louis eyeshadow base, which is one of my favorites. Remember, a good eyeshadow base is going to pop those eyeshadows out. For the eyes, today I'm going to use the Too Faced Extra Spicy Gingerbread palette and the P. Louis matte eyeshadow palette as well. Right now all the colors that I'm going to do on the lid are going to be matte and I'm going to pop the shimmers on top of them. Using all CS Essential brushes, which is my own brand. I choose all shades of pinks and browns to create a beautiful gradation, and I use a deep matte brown color for all over the lid because even the slightest of shimmer on top of it is really going to pop out and enhance those eyes. Black and brown pencils remain a very important part of any eye makeup that I do, and I'm using the Forever 52 pencils. After I apply the brown, I smoke it out, I blend the edges out. I then use a shimmer from the Too Faced palette and apply it all over the lids, blending it out perfectly. Next step is the Kiko Pressed Glitter in shade Gold. I make sure I apply it only on the eyeball just to pop it out a bit more. Next step comes in the black pencil. I blend it out perfectly and apply 2 to 3 coats of a waterproof mascara. After that, I apply kajal to her eyes. I also tightline so that I can add the most ultimate definition to her big, beautiful eyes. After I finish the eyes, I clean any kind of fallout on the under eye area and I use the CS Essentials newly launched Glow Fix Plus to add more hydration to the skin. I also top it up with a Becca primer and blend it into the skin perfectly. Today I'm using the Forever 52 Camouflage palette and I'm going to use the darker colors from this palette to correct pigmentation and dark circles on Era's skin. I make sure I blend it out perfectly and then apply a foundation on top. Guys, I always like to use a foundation the same color as the skin tone. I keep blending the foundation till I'm absolutely happy with the end result. Once I'm done with that, I am going to highlight her face and I use a MAC concealer and a LA Girl concealer as well. This point is very important. Remember, I do not like to spread it all over the face, but I like to only keep it on the key points of her face just to highlight her features perfectly. I again apply Glow Fix Plus because I feel her skin needs more hydration. And once that has dried up naturally, I am using a liquid illuminator to add some shine to her face. And do not forget to blend. The skins should look absolutely seamless and beautiful, and no dark areas of the face should be showing once you have finished all these steps. After I'm done with it all, I am now going to contour Era's face. However, I'm going to keep it soft as I feel Era is blessed with sharp features naturally. I love using the CS Essentials tapered brush for it because it gives me the perfect blend that I'm always looking for. After this, I am going to use the Huda powder in shade yellow, and I am going to set her entire face into place. I always like to gradually build up my powder and not apply a lot of it together. Next step is the Bobbi Brown Brick Shimmer, which is one of my favorite products for deep Indian skin tones. Guys, I'm using the shade Bronze. I'm also going to add some blush from the Forever 52 palette, which is one of my favorites. Once I'm happy with the face, I always retouch the kajal, and I'm making sure that the edges of the kajal are perfectly blending into the under eyes. And eyes will never look complete without lashes, and I'm using my favorite lashes from CS Essentials. They are called Selena. Guys, our lashes are super affordable and you must check out our website. Finishing off that beautiful makeup with perfect nude lips, and guys, I always like to work with a lot of lip liners. I start with a dark lip liner, I top it up with a slightly lighter lip liner. I also apply a lipstick and I keep blending it all perfectly to create the perfect nude lips for Ira. So I hope you like this tutorial, guys. Do let me know in the comments what do you think. And I keep getting a lot of queries if I teach professional makeup. Yes, guys, I do teach professional makeup and I have my academy in Noida. This is Jani Singh signing off. Take care, everyone. Goodbye. Find myself locked up. Can't escape this, there's no way. Now haunted by the mistake.